everybody, my name's Lucas and I am a vehicle construction engineer on the Madison West Rocket Club NASA student launch team. Today I'm going to show you guys how to build your very own paper rockets. Let's get into it. First off, you're going to need to print out this template, which can be found at the link in the description. Once you roll the paper, it will be hard to draw on, so the first step is decorating the rocket. Draw in the rightmost section, as it will be the only part you can see once the rocket is folded up. Once you're done coloring, cut along the dotted lines. Don't forget the fins at the bottom of the rocket. Cutting the nose cone is the most difficult part. Here's how you do it. Make sure you have strong scissors, as the paper can get bent. Even if you cut the nose cone off, it's okay, because tape can fix everything. This is how you cut the fins. Then roll from the edge opposite to the nose cone, using the PVC tube provided. Hold the paper tight with your fingers until you can tape it shut. Use one piece of tape to hold the rocket together until you can get a longer one down. Then tape it along the seam of the paper. Next, fold out the fins to a 90-degree angle. They should be perpendicular to the rocket body. One method for securing the nose cone is folding it into a cone and taping it to the rocket. Another easier way of securing the nose cone is folding it flat to the top of the rocket and taping it down. This rocket relies on there being no gaps for air to escape. One good way to test that is by blowing through the rocket and holding your hand out front. If you can feel air escaping, that means you need to tape it up more. Let's try it. This one feels airtight. Now your rocket's ready to fly.